let's start with the goals. Why do you actually need to monitor machine learning models? So the first and most important goal is to maintain the business impact of the model. If you deploy your models to production, you want them to actually have some kind of impact on reality, on the business, on the organization you work with. And what you want to do as a data scientist is you want to your either automation or prediction use cases to continue to have this business impact. And to do that, you need to know what's going on. So ML monitoring. Another thing is that you want to reduce the risk of the model. So every model, because it works with either stochastic algorithms or it makes decisions based on data with a lot of noise, has certain inherent level of risk. Maybe it's the risk due to the fact that the predictions are unstable. Maybe there is just by random chance, there might be more people who are harder to predict on, and that will influence the outcome. There's always a risk of the model, and we want to reduce or eliminate this risk by really knowing on what's going on and being able to quantify this risk. And the last thing, kind of from your perspective as either data scientist or head of data science, you want to also increase the visibility of the model just to be able to prove the impact of you as an individual contributor or as a manager on the organization. So the more visible the model is, the more likely it's going to be to get you a raise, promotion, increase the budget of your team, and things like that. So you want to basically make sure that your work is appreciated. And for that, ML monitoring is also important. Now, how do we do this? So we at ML have quite opinionated stance on that. And we believe that you should always start with performance. Performance is the best proxy. We're talking here about technical performance. So metrics like F1, accuracy, mean squared error. These metrics are there to approximate business impact. So focusing on monitoring those allows you to monitor the most important thing, which is the business impact, and protect the business value. Then only if something goes wrong, then we should go into root cause analysis. So if we know that there is some important change in performance, whether realized or estimated, then we need to figure out what has gone wrong. And for that, we use data detection algorithms, methods, and techniques. And then once we figure out what actually went wrong, we'll go to issue resolution. While, of course, at the same time, continue to monitor the performance. So the workflow is quite simple, actually.